All right, Brother Bernard, you are the man we have been waiting for. You told me you had an amazing money-making opportunity to present to me, and I'm already excited about it. And you asked me to invite all my business partners. And for your information, seated before you here are business moguls from different parts of the world. They flew in because of this presentation. I have a partner that flew in from South Africa. I have a business partner that flew in from Switzerland and from different parts of the world. They are all here, waiting to hear this amazing business opportunity that you have for us. Okay, so go ahead and do this business presentation so that we can ask questions, if any. Thank you. Go ahead. You have the floor.
I want to use this opportunity to welcome all of you to this powerful multi-level marketing business, the 2x2 MLM. 2x2 MLM is the best MLM in the network marketing industry as we speak. How does this business work? It is very simple. It is based on the power of leverage. I don't know if you understand me now. All you need to do when you register with $100, you have to look for 2 people who will register with $100 each. Then you will now encourage the 2 people you brought to also bring 2 people and force those 2 people each to bring in 2 people too. That is why we call it the power of 2x2. All my leaders in this business are very rich. Some of them leave Nigeria, travel all the way to Dubai just to charge their phone. They go and party everywhere. They use the most expensive cars. I don't know if you understand me now. So if you have any question, you can ask.
Wait, calm down. I want to understand something. How exactly do you make money from this business? Is there a product that you people sell? Or is there a service that you people render? Please, I want clarification about this because I don't understand this presentation that you just made right now.
No. In this business, we are not selling any product. We are not rendering any service. So in this business, all you need to do is bring people to your left and your right leg. You balance your leg, gidigba. Then encourage those people to balance their own leg too. If everybody balance themselves, this world will be balanced. You will now be getting matching bonus. I don't know if you understand me now. No product, no service. All you need to do is bring people. If you can bring just 1,000 people.
Jesus!
Just 1,000 people who bring their own 1,000. You will enjoy this business very, very well.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
Please, you people should not sleep on this business. What I have brought for you people is financial freedom, so that you people can begin to cash out. That is why I came to this company to talk to you, so that you people will, be motivated, so that you can make money through the power of leverage. 2x2 MLM is going to take the world by storm. All my fellow leaders, I can invite them here if you want to come and do a proper presentation for you, all my leaders.
Why? Is it by force to send money to people?
I hope you know there's a wood, a plank that carpenters use that they call 2x2. If I wipe you 2x2 for head.
Run.
You mean you made me invite my friends from all over the world to come and sit down here and watch you spit rubbish from that gutter you call a mouth? Are you normal? Do you have any sense at all? Is this the kind of business that you made me invite my friends from all over the world to come and listen to? What is wrong with this guy? Are you okay? Do you have sense? So you are sitting down with captains of industry. Do you know the people that are seated here? People that have excelled in their different businesses from all over the world. People that are into real estate, transportation, and other businesses. You want them to be bringing 2 people, balance their leg. Do they tell you that their leg is paining them?
Oh, no.
Let me school you. Network marketing is not for everybody. In network marketing, there are 2 categories of people. You have leaders and you have ladders. Now, leaders are the network marketers, while the prospects are the ladders. That is why you see a network marketer will go to an ordinary
busy person who has his own 9 to 5 or offline business that they are doing, and they will tell you, come and join my network marketing business. You don't have to refer anybody. That is a big lie. You are trying to recruit somebody into a referral business, but you are telling them that they don't need to refer anybody. Such a network marketer is a liar. He wants to use you as a ladder to climb to the top rank in that business, and you don't have to believe such a person.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Part of the lies that network marketers like you tell is that, oh, you don't have to resign from your job. You can keep your 9 to 5 job and still do this network marketing and still cash out big time. That is another bloody lie. Network marketing is a full-time occupation. If you don't do it full-time, if you don't reach out to the grassroots, traveling, doing seminars and presentations, you will not achieve so much in the business. Majority of the highest ranked people in multi-level marketing, they take it as their full-time jobs and they are dedicated to it. And it is not easy to climb up in the ranking of multi-level marketing businesses. Bring one, bring two business is a very difficult business to push. Don't let anybody deceive you that you can make a lot of money in network marketing without recruiting anybody. It's a big lie.
Hey!
Brother Bernard, come and pay me my money. Oga, what is going on now? I've been waiting outside since. You said it's going to take 30 minutes. You are still here. Please, please, please answer me so that I will start going.
Young man, are you so uncultured? Why did you barge into this meeting? Can't you see we are having a meeting here? You just barged in. Who are you and what do you want?
My apologies, sir. I am an Okada Rider, a bike man. I was the one that brought him here. He has not paid me. He said the money that I charge him is too much. That maybe after this meeting, if he collects money from you people, he will use it to settle me. Hey! And I have been waiting outside since. That's why I decided to come and ask him what is going on.
You see the nonsense? This man, this financial prisoner that came to come and offer us financial freedom and says that his business partners in the MLM, they drive Porsche cars and fly all over the world. He cannot even afford to take a taxi to come and meet us here, let alone buy a car for himself. He took a bike, Okada, and as you can hear from the Okada rider, he does not even have the money to pay the man the bike fee. He is assuming that we would register for this nonsense he just presented so that he will have money to give to the Okada rider. Can you imagine? Please guys, if you are looking for an opportunity to make money without bringing 2x2, there's a link in the description of this video. Go and register and get started. It's a trading opportunity where a crypto robot trades for you.
Where they carry Okada, can't offer person financial freedom. You will be financial prisoner, won't offer person financial freedom. See your shoe, they shout hallelujah. The gum where you take gum and don't open. Your cloth tear for armpit. You don't wash your shirt so the collar don't tear. You want offer person financial freedom. Bring one, bring two, balance leg. You decrease. You with your life no balance.
Jesus is Lord.
Later now, you will become a motivational speaker. I started my restaurant with 1 grain of rice.
This man.
I started my poultry with 1 feather.
Not be juju be that.
Liar. Get out of this place before I get you arrested.
Hey!